In this video, we're going to talk about how roots are related to prime factors. Here's an example. Cube root of 216 can be written as a related question, something times something times something equals 216. And there are three somethings, and each of those somethings are equal to each other. So, how can we split up 216 into those spaces evenly? Let's look at the prime factors of 216. 216 is divisible by 4 because the last two digits, 16, is divisible by 4. 216 is 4 times 54. 54 is even, so it's multiple of 2. 2 times 27. 27 is 3 times 9, and 9 is 3 times 3. Now we have 216 factored into its prime factors. How do we share these factors then in these three spots? We have 3 2's, and each of the 2's can go into one spot each. We have 3 3's, and each of the 3's can go into one spot each. So that means 216 is 6 times 6 times 6. So therefore, the cube root of 216 must be 6, because 6 cubed is 216. Let's look at it at a different way. 216 is 2 raised to the power 3 and 3 raised to the power 3. We just showed that to find the cube root, we share each of these three powers into three spots, or we divide by 3. We divide by 3 because the index here is 3. We want the third root. So we divide the 3 powers of 2 by 3 to get 2 to the first power, and we divide the 3 powers of 3 by 3 to get 3 to the first power. That results in 2 times 3, which gives us 6. So the cube root of 216 is 2 times 3. Don't forget that dividing by 3 is the same as multiplying by 1/3. When we take 1/3 of the powers, we get 2 to the first, 3 to the first. So the cube root of 216 is 6. So what is the connection? The cube root of 216 is the 1/3 power of 2 to the third times 3 to the third. Don't forget your power rule. If you're taking a power of powers, you multiply the powers. 1/3 of 3 is 1. So we have 2 to the first, and with our powers of 3, we have 1/3 of 3, and that's 3 to the first. So what is the connection of this to the first part of the video? Here are the two parts put together. Recall that the prime factors are split into 3 spots for the cube root. Well, we can do that with algebra and using our exponent rules, if you look above. In summary then, the nth root of x is x to the 1 over n power. You need to find the prime factors to simplify this. Then you divide each of the powers of the prime numbers by dividing the powers by the number n.